In this video, I will guide you about the Shopify dashboard and show you how to customize and select a theme for your stores. When you log into your Shopify account, you will land on the dashboard. This is where you manage everything for your store. On the left-hand menu, you will see sections like Home for updates and suggestions, orders to manage purchases, products to add and organize your items, and online store. Here you can choose or customize your theme. Here you will see the default theme Dawn already installed. Dawn is a clean and professional theme that works well for most stores. If you want more options, scroll down and click Visit Theme Store. Shopify offers free themes or paid themes. Free themes is simple and professional, perfect for beginners. And the paid themes have advanced design tailored for specific industries. For example, let's look at a free theme called Trade. Click View Demo to preview how it looks. If you like it, click Try Theme to add it to your stores. For this tutorial, I am just going to use the default theme and click Customize to open the Shopify store editor. This is where you can make your store look exactly how you want. To change your logo, click on Header in the sidebar. Then select Edit Logo in the theme settings. Upload your logo file and click Done. This will immediately update the header with your branding. Next, let's work on the hero image, the main banner on your homepage. Click on the image banner section, then click change image to upload your own photo or browse Shopify's free stock photos for a professional option. Once you have selected the image, click save to apply it to your stores. Scroll down to explore the different sections available, like feature collection or image with text. To add a new section, click Add Section and choose what you would like to include. If you want to change the order of sections, simply drag and drop them to rearrange. For example, you might want your featured collection to appear right below the hero image for better visibility. Then finally, go to Theme Settings in the sidebar to refine your store's overall look. Here you can adjust colors to match your brand palette, typography to set the right font style and size, and layout for a polished and professional feel. And here you go, you have now explored the Shopify dashboard, picked the perfect theme and customized it to match your brand. See how easy that was, you are already building a momentum. In the next video, I will guide you how to customize your homepage and layout to create a stunning user-friendly store for your mobile and desktop.